what you see bone setter in Indonesia or another country, is it they do a wrong technique so it's dangerous or?
What I see from people who aren't as educated, they do the same thing every single time. Okay. No matter who it is, it's the same thing. It's one of these, and then like they twist the legs, and it's very, very dangerous. It's just not correct.
If my hand is broken,
yeah,
is it you can do?
No.
In Indonesia, we call it dukun tulang.
Chiropractors that they're taking advantage of title and the popularity. They're overselling their services. They're saying that they can do more than what they can really do. It's all, a fraud. So, Richard.
So hari ini saya kedatangan suatu tamu yang spesial banget. Ya, suatu dokter yang terkenal dari luar negeri, dari Amerika, Dr. Tyler Bigenro.
Hi.
Richard Lee.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You're very handsome.
So are you. My gosh.
Oh my God.
It's like a younger version of you,
Oh, yeah. Okay. How old are you?
30.
30 years old. You're a doctor.
Yeah.
A chiropractic doctor.
I have a doctorate degree in chiropractic, yes.
Okay. How many years you studying doctor in US?
So it's 4 years undergrad.
4 years?
Yeah, and then 4 years doctorate degree. So 8 years.
Sorry. 8 years for a doctor.
Yes.
And a chiropractor?
Yeah, doctorate.
8 year doctor and chiropractor.
Yeah, but it's different degrees.
Different degrees.
Yeah.
But you spend about 8 years.
Yes.
Is it right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Is this your first time in Indonesia?
No, I've been here once before. Well, actually, so I came on a trip with my family 12 years ago.
12 years ago.
12 years ago.
Okay.
And then I went to Bali in September of this past year by myself.
So it's a third time.
This is third time, yeah.
Third time,
yeah.
Okay. I heard that your mom from Indonesia, right?
Yeah. So she was born in Jakarta.
So it is. That's why you're so handsome.
Yeah, just like you, man. Yeah, so she was born in Jakarta, and then they migrated to the US when she was, I don't know, 10, 11, something like that. Still have a lot of family here, like Om Henki. And then, yeah. Tante.
Which one?
Yeah.
Is your family?
Auntie, uncle, yeah. They're here. They're just hanging out. They're just watching me.
You are Chinese.
I haven't seen him in like 12 years. Yeah.
Is there Chinese?
Uh-huh.
Yes. So you're an American, Indonesian, and Chinese people?
Yes.
Wow.
Whatever you want.
Ini kalau di Indonesia bisa dinaturalisasi nggak ya? Bisa diklaim ya. So how's your mom?
She's great. She's awesome.
Still in California or in Indonesia?
Retired in California.
Okay.
And she's very worried about me being here by myself.
Oh yeah?
That's why uncle and auntie are here watching.
Why?
Her baby boy's like going across the world to like make content and stuff and meet people.
Okay.
So, yeah, she's worried.
You can speak in Bahasa?
No, not really. That's my mom's fault, by the way. She didn't teach me. She was kind of a rebel. She was kind of a rebel. She got picked on.
Yeah.
She came from the U.S. She came from Indonesia to the U.S. And to Pennsylvania, and they were the only Asian family there. Okay. So they got picked on for being Asian.
Okay.
And having accents. So she never wanted to be like that.
So what did you remember about Indonesia?
When I came 12 years ago?
And maybe in your home, maybe you can. Have you ever tried tempeh?
Honestly, I don't know the names. I just put it in my mouth and it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
my auntie, she cooks though.
Indonesian?
Yeah, Indonesian. So she's my grandma's sister. So I don't know.
Fried rice?
Everything.
Fried rice?
Yeah, so she makes the batmi like really good. And
okay.
she just puts it in like boxes for us.
Okay.
Because she knows we like it.
Okay. So what did you remember about Indonesian?
I don't know.
What do you miss the most about Indonesia?
Well, you mean from 12 years ago when I went there? The food, the culture, and meeting family that I didn't even know existed,
Oh.
Yeah. I feel like when I'm in the United States, like with my business and everything, I'm just doing the same thing over and over. So I want to do more. I want to go to different places.
Oh,
you
okay.
know? Yeah.
Okay. What food you like in Indonesia?
Honestly, I had pork and beer.
It's not Indonesian.
It's not Indonesian.
Every bule like that.
Okay. That place is bomb though, dude. Oh my god!
What
And
is-
the spice. It's like like the pork, like the cut pork, and then like the fried on the top,
okay.
and then the hot sauce and rice.
Pork ribs or maybe.
Yeah, but I mean, I can do some fried rice, some noodles, you know,
Okay.
nasi goreng and all that. Yeah. Yeah.
Balls.
Put it in here, right here.
You
I'll
like
eat all
spicy
that.
food?
Yeah.
You can eat spicy food.
Okay, not too spicy. Okay?
Not too
Whenever
spicy.
people say that, it's like I can do spicy, but like too spicy is like too much, man.
Okay.
You know, but like I can hang.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you doing in Indonesia right now?
Basically, one of my goals is to, like you said, the people who kind of do chiropractic here, it's not doctorate, it's not regulated. It's like that around the world as well.
Oh, yeah?
And yeah. It's
Only in US.
US, Canada, Europe.
Okay.
There are some countries in Europe, Australia as well. But I love what I do, and I have the opportunity to go to other areas and do my work. So that's what I'm here.
Why in US it's legal a doctor for chiropractic? Why in another country still? In Indonesia it's still a traditional medicine. We call it traditional medicine, and we do it not a doctor.
Yeah, so people in Indonesia, if they're calling themselves chiropractors, they're not allowed to. If you call yourself a chiropractor, you have to have a doctorate degree.
Okay.
From the U.S. or from any other regulating countries. So they would be called bone setters here. That's probably that's probably what they call themselves more. Or I've seen other terms like bone therapy type of things rather than chiropractor.
Okay.
But because of the avenues that social media is creating, people see the same work and they're like, oh, it's a chiropractor. You know, but if you don't see DC at the end of their name or doctor in the front, they didn't get their education in the US and other areas. And a lot of what we learn is when not to adjust, when you're not supposed to crack, when it's too dangerous,
Okay.
what to look for, what to evaluate, what to ask. And the people who are, they like my videos and they're like, oh, I want to do that, and they just start doing it on people. It's very dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Have you ever seen Indonesian chiropractor or maybe bone setter? Have you ever seen? Okay. What is the different technique with you?
Well, if you just look at one of their videos and compare it to mine, you'll see.
Oh yeah. In your opinion, you're a master.
So, if you watch, if you pay attention to certain videos, there's different areas that I crack. I'll do the top of the neck here. I'll do the bottom of the neck here. I'll do the shoulder blade here. What I see from people who aren't very or aren't as educated, they do the same thing every single time.
Okay.
No matter who it is, it's the same thing.
Oh.
It's one of these, and then like they twist the legs, and it's mindless.
Okay.
It's mindless cracking. That's what I've noticed. And it's not bad. It's not terrible. It's just not correct.
So every people have a different technique, different crack.
Yes. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So there's different areas in every single person that need to be cracked.
Oh,
Really?
it's different technique for different person.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It should be. It should
Okay.
be.
So what you see in bone setter in Indonesia or another country, is it they do wrong technique, so it's dangerous? Or
I wouldn't say the wrong technique is dangerous, because in order for it to be dangerous, you have to be strong and you have to have considerable force. And a lot of the people who aren't as educated, they do it very soft, very gentle. So it's much less dangerous in that aspect. But the aspect that it is dangerous is if they have some sort of clot in their arteries up here.
Okay.
You have to know what to ask and what to look for, because if they have a clot here and you twist their neck, you can open up that clot and cause a stroke.
Okay.
And it happens 1 out of 10 million times, but whenever it does happen, it goes viral everywhere. Everybody hears about it. So the dangerous part is they don't know what to ask and what to look for in situations like that.
Okay. I want to ask a basic one. What is chiropractor?
Oh, I don't know, man.
Well, chiropractic.
I don't
What
know.
is this?
I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we have okay, so we have the skeleton, right? We're a skeleton. Think about just bones.
Okay.
In between the bones, it should be nice and fluid, nice and easy, nice and movie,
Okay.
Like, when we say like, oh, I have a knot, that's where it's not easy. Okay. And it's my job to go through the skeleton and make it easy to move. So
skeleton cannot move, is it right?
well, yeah, I mean, so your bones aren't connected to each other. Like there's something in between the bones that is holding it together.
Okay.
So you can kind of move it like this. But basically, we're not moving the bones. We're releasing that area in between.
Okay.
So sometimes the area in between, stuff just gets clogged in there, and then every now and then we just have to crack it.
Which one crack? Is it the bone? Is it the ligament?
We don't know.
Is
Nobody
it
knows.
muscle?
So it's this. If you think about bones like this, it's the space in between here, in between the two bones that are moving. The little space in between here. Sometimes there's a lot of different theories, but sometimes it gets solid in there. It gets solid, so it feels like stuck. And then if you increase the pressure enough, super quick, it'll release into a gas. And it'll cause the popping sensation.
The cracking is a gas.
Yeah, I mean there's different theories, but that's one of like the easiest to understand theories.
Okay.
But basically, if there's a bunch of theories, that means no one really knows.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I already sometime I heard that the crack is ligament.
I mean, yeah, there's a bunch of different theories.
Okay. What is chiropractic used for?
Honestly, I would say wellness, and pain. Honestly, a lot of people come because they understand that over time, their bodies, they develop a lot of stress, and that stuff kind of compounds on each other. So it's good to minimize the stress buildup in the body.
Minimize stress
Buildup, yeah. Okay. So we just avoid the buildup. I know you were probably going to ask later, like how often should someone come? I kind of there's a lot of chiropractors that make you come 3 times a week, and
3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot, right? This sounds like a lot. Like imagine you've never gotten adjusted before, and I adjust you here, and then I tell you have to come back 3 times a week. You would believe me, right? You would believe me. You'd be like, oh, that's weird, but okay, he said it. He's the doctor. He knows. And that's what they do in the US, and I think it's terrible. So when I open my business, I tell people to come back once a year.
Once a year?
Once a year, yeah.
So lucky me.
Yeah, once a year, like why do you have to come in so often? I don't know why. So, and when I started my business like that, a lot of people were like, wow, I like that. That's cool. So it was successful. So I'm trying to like spread that around, you don't have to go back all the time. We're not all trying to, take your money.
Okay.
That's kind of like what it's kind of like the stigma between the 3 times a week. People are like, what? Why?
I wonder if I go to US in California, right?
Yeah, you're gonna come? Hang out?
In your business.
Yeah.
Maybe in your room.
Yeah.
How much I must spend with you?
I mean, whatever you want, you know. You want to know my prices?
Yeah.
Okay, so like a new patient, 30 minutes is $240
$240
US.
USD.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Berapa tuh?
And then
240 berapa tuh? Hitung. Matematika gue lagi jelek kalau nggak ada kalkulator. Hah? 4 juta. 4 million. Okay.
Yeah. And then follow-ups are about 100, and it's 20 minutes.
So sorry, what is 100?
100 for follow-ups.
Oh, follow-ups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Do you think that's a lot?
You're very rich man.
You know, people charge way more.
Okay. How many patients do you have today? One day? In the US?
In the US, it's like 10 to 15.
Only 10 to 15. Yeah. Did you know that how much patient in Indonesia?
How many?
Wow, 50 is little.
Yeah. So for me, what you pay the money for is the time.
Okay.
So new patients are 30 minutes. Follow-ups are 20 minutes.
Okay.
So instead of like you pay for the crack, you pay for the amount of time that you want to see me.
Okay.
You know.
But in Indonesia, doctor fee is maybe about $5.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's fun.
Konsultasi doang.
No, I know some like chiropractor.
Maybe sometimes like maybe about maybe 20 about 30.
Yeah. And you know, you might see them for, I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, right? You know, it's really quick.
Just a crack,
Yeah, just crack, and it's mindless. You know,
so already broken.
I mean, yeah, I know some people that charge a lot more overseas.
Okay.
So yeah.
So what is chiropractic used for
disease? I mean, I work on a lot of degeneration. So if you ever hear like degenerative disc disease or like
low back pain,
arthritis, yeah, low back pain, upper back pain, neck pain. But degeneration is when like the space around the bones, it's starting to rot.
Okay.
It's starting to dry out and thicken and get dehydrated and just starting to rot.
Oh,
you know, so
it's just like a rheumatoid arthritis.
No, that's different.
Cannot.
Yeah, no.
Cannot do it.
No, right.
Spondylitis arthritis.
No,
cannot.
No.
Okay.
But I can treat those. I can make them feel better.
Okay.
You know, like I can help with their pain, but I can't get rid of that.
Okay.
No.
How about hernia nucleosis?
No.
Cannot.
No. So that's like bad scoliosis, and then the bones popping out basically. I mean, you know, I can make them feel better, but I'm not going to be able to put that back in.
Okay.
But what I see a lot is disc herniations and disc degeneration in the low back and in the neck.
Okay. How about if I feel always stiff about
that's
neck?
my bread and butter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll make you feel nice and light, nice and loose.
I have a problem in my pelvic. I already have a radio ronsen before. They tell me that there's nothing wrong with my bone, but instable in my muscle in my pelvic.
Who told you that?
In ronsen.
Here?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. They know what they're talking about. A lot of times it is instability.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You can cure it?
No. So with instability, you cure it by stabilizing it. So you have to exercise your low back.
Yeah, that's my problem.
Yeah. So for me, I have bad disc issues. I have a lot of pain, and actually, when I get adjusted a lot, when I get cracked a lot, it makes it worse. So I have to work out my low back and my core around here, and it stabilizes it. And
that's
it
why
makes
you
it so
do
I don't have pain.
exercise.
Yes.
That's why your body is very good.
I literally exercise so I don't have pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
You strengthen your muscle.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you saw what I did today, I saw like 75 people, and like, you know, I'm leaning over a lot and I'm doing stuff like this.
To protect your bone, use strengthen your muscle.
I have to.
So I must strengthen my muscle
You have
too.
to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it safe for every age?
Yes.
How many age from 5 years old?
It's safe, but I don't think it does much.
Sorry, sir. If my hand is broken,
Yeah.
is it you can do
No.
In Indonesia
I'll
we call
try,
it
though.
dukun tulang.
I could try if you want.
you can do it. You
No.
cannot do it.
No, definitely
No,
not.
is this not a chiropractor do?
No,
No.
definitely not.
In Indonesia it can.
Oh, please don't. That's scary. So about the age again,
Okay.
There's chiropractors that do babies. They adjust babies. But if you look at an X-ray of a baby, their bones aren't even fused. They're floating. They're floating around. So
Okay.
what are you adjusting? What are you cracking? And I see videos of people cracking the babies. And it doesn't even crack. Like there's nothing there. And then there's like, oh wow, yeah, good, cool. And it's like, what did you even do? What did you do? But it's the doctorate, and people are big believers. But I'm not saying it doesn't work. I just don't do it. I don't do anyone under 18.
Okay. So what is negative effect with a chiropractor?
Like the stuff that I was saying before. I think there's a lot of chiropractors that they're taking advantage of the title and the popularity that is coming out right now. They're overselling their services. They're saying that they can do more than what they can really do, and they're making people come in too often. And the stigma that comes from that is people think that chiropractors are scammers.
Oh,
They think that it doesn't work, and they think that it's all a fraud. So I'm on social media too, and every single day there's people just talking crap. Like, oh, this guy's a fraud, this guy's a scam. I don't reply to it or anything, but that's every day. It's every day, and it's warranted because there are bad apples that are taking advantage of the system, and they're not good. I mean, if you're a normal person and you see some videos, like you can tell which person's good and which person's not good. Yeah. And another thing about chiropractors, we're not all the same.
we're all not the same.
No, definitely not. I mean, I have skills that I have built throughout my whole life. I played every sport that you can think of.
Okay.
So I'm quick. I have great balance. I'm tall.
Okay.
I'm strong.
Okay.
Those are things that you can't teach. You can't teach that in school. You can't go to school and learn that. That's something that you already have. If you don't have it, you're unlucky. I'm sorry. Okay. I worked really hard. I have strong, gentle
Muscle.
hands.
Okay.
Strong, gentle hands, and I can feel things. I have the gift of feeling. I can feel things that other people can't. Okay. And I've accepted that that's a gift. And you combine that with the education and the hard work, and you can create a great product.
Okay.
And I think I'm a great product from all of that together. Yeah. So, there's a lot of people like, oh, like I graduated with 40 people in my class. I would probably send my mom to 4 or 5.
Okay.
To get treated.
But you have another value. You are handsome.
I mean, I have heard that helps as well.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
You're still single?
I am still single. Yeah. Why you have a friend? You got a single girl?
You're looking for a partner in Indonesia?
Hey, whatever, man.
We can ask
someone
to H tonight.
That
Sudah dibawa ke H belum malam ini? Oh, belum ya. Have you see another like a negative effect when you do a chiropractic?
Yeah, I mean the only
broken.
I wish that would be cool. So you can do it on people you don't like. No. So what's crazy is you can judge how safe something is based off of how much that person has to pay for insurance.
Oh,
so
okay.
my malpractice insurance, it's like $1,000 a year.
$1,000 for years. Okay.
1 year. That's nothing. That's so cheap, and it's very it's very cheap because we never get sued.
Okay.
We never have problems. But when something bad happens, it goes viral, mega viral, you know? So, you know, if there's like doctors, lawyers, or anyone watching this, you hear $1,000 for malpractice insurance a year, it's like, oh, what the heck? Mine's like 50,000, you know, for like other practitioners.
Okay.
But the only thing that I make sure that people understand is they're going to be sore. It's you know, we're creating space in areas that haven't had space in a while, movement in areas that haven't moved in a while. Those ligaments, those structures that hold the things together, they're going to be stretched out, and they haven't in a while, so they have to heal. So soreness is the most common side effect.
Okay.
And then every now and then, some of the cracks, they hurt a little bit, they sting a little bit. If you have arthritis, if there's inflammation around that joint, and we clear it out, it'll sting a little bit. But
Okay.
that's pretty much it.
I heard that Indonesian people, some actors, some big actors in Indonesia, go to you.
Really, who?
You know, I heard that Agnes Mo.
Yeah.
Do you know Agnes Mo?
Yeah.
Okay. Agnes
should hear a couple of-
Rosa, Luna Maya.
Oh yeah, Luna.
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 You noticed them?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Did you notice them?
Yeah.
Oh.
They came to my office. We did crack. It was fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was fun. Which actress in Hollywood, maybe?
Actors in Hollywood. I mean, like some. I don't remember. You know.
Okay.
I don't know.
So today,
I don't really care.
how many people you've cracked in?
70, 75?
Oh yeah?
Am I
Wow.
supposed
Well,
to?
today?
Where's
Which one? Lucinta Luna already? Kasih Helvennya. Okay, Rizky Bilar.
Yeah, I'm tired.
You
And we filmed everything. We filmed the whole day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you do Kretek with tulang lunak itu apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya? Tulang lunak is a gay.
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Thailand. Can you do Kretek with them?
Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you want. If you say it's okay, I'll do it.
Kan maksudku tuh kalau tulang lunak itu bisa dikretek juga gitu kan. So I would like to try your Kretek.
Of course. Let's do it. Yeah. So it's your low back,
maybe,
right?
Me and my wife.
Of course. Let's do it.
This is my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend.
Next time
You bring one for me? Oh, okay.
which one do you like? Which girl do you like? Request.
No, I'm not saying the names.
Do you like a religious girl with hijab in Indonesia?
Not really.
No, I don't know. I want you to figure it out.
Is it pain?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just kind of like walk you through what I'm doing too. So, I've kind of like memorized what normal feels like. So when I feel people's shoulders, things that aren't normal like this kind of sticks out at me. That's what a lot of chiropractors are good at. We know what normal feels like. When it's not normal, it sticks out and it's like, oh, that's not right. Let's do something about that. So I'm gonna clear up some of the muscle tension here. Okay, face up.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, flat hand here.
Okay.
Give me a hug with this arm. Leave your head on the table.
Okay.
Good. And just nice and loose in the shoulder. I'm gonna try to open this up here. It's good.
Oh!
Very nice.
Bunyi loh, beneran loh bunyi.
Upper neck is pretty congested. There's a lot going on in there. What did you do?
Is he still here?
I don't know. I don't even know where I am.
Okay.
See, that was good, right?
Good.
Yeah. Maybe I'll like Dr. Richard.
Okay. Is it healing or just relieving?
It's relieving.
Okay.
Yeah. Lift your head up. Keep your chin tucked down. Good. Down. Yeah. Oh wow, we're best friends now. Look at that. Oh! Good. One more. Oh! Good. Go face down for me.
Face down.
Yep. I almost fell.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Okay, lay on your right side, facing me. I'm gonna do a couple for your low back. That joke gets old after a while. Right there. Damn. See, did it hurt? No hurt, right?
Not hurt.
Yeah.
Not hurt.
Other
It's
side.
surprising.
Yeah, I know, right? But you know, if there was arthritis,
Okay.
it might sting a little bit. That's the only time. But you don't have any. It's good.
Okay.
You're in great shape,
Very nice.
just like your face. It's great shape, you know. On your back, face up.
Okay.
What did we do there?
Aesthetic clinic. Ooh.
Can you make me pretty?
Yeah, I
Oh.
make you more handsome.
Oh, perfect. You're done. You're good.
Already?
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, see? And you know, like,
Wow, where's my body?
it's gone.
This is my wife.
Hi, wife. Do you have a name?
Yes, Lenny.
Hi, I'm Tyler. Nice to meet you.
Which one more handsome? Is it which one more handsome? It is the camera. This is the camera. This is the camera. Huh? Which one more handsome?
He's handsome.
Oh my god.
At least you know.
She's cheating me.
Have a seat.
Is this your type?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god.
I like pretty girls. You know, I like pretty girls. Have a seat. I like pretty single girls.
Okay.
Single girl.
Pretty single girls. Yeah. See? Do you have any pain anywhere? Any issues?
You don't want to hear her proper.
I don't want to. No, it's him.
Just relax. Relax. Yeah, relax.
Until it feels better. Why stressed?
I don't know what is the count.
I think it's not a muscle. Is it fat, maybe?
Okay, let's go face down. Kind of work my way in.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Do you have last wish?
That was a lot. Okay, I'm gonna bring your head all the way. Good. Very nice. Hey, you have a husband who will try for you. You know, that's good. That's really good. Good. Okay, lay on your right side. Nice. Other side. Beautiful. On your back, face up. Nice. Good. Okay, come on up. Good job. Yeah, so now that this is open, the joint is open, if you got a massage, it would work a lot better.
Okay.
Because the now it's just muscle tension that's in there. So you get cleared out and it'll be so much better.
Can I massage it by myself?
Yeah, but like, you know, it's better if somebody else does it for like an hour.
I
you
do
know?
it tonight.
Yeah, yeah.
I can do it
Deep
tonight.
tension.
Yeah,
Oh,
deep. Yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, whatever you do, it's not gonna make it worse.
Yeah.
You know? But like, it's better if somebody else, you know, gets in there. You know?
Harus dipijit kuat-kuat.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You choose me or him to make a massage for you tonight.
Yeah. See? There you go. Good job.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Thank you, Dr.
Yeah,
Thailand.
of course.
So, what you doing in HH Club today?
How many days you're in Indonesia?
I'm here until the 16th. So like
Until 16th?
16 days.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I go to Bali for 10 days.
For holiday.
No, for retreat.
Oh, for a retreat.
Yeah, silence.
Oh, okay.
No talking.
For meditation.
Yeah, meditation.
Meditation.
Yeah, yeah.
So what are you doing in until 16?
This.
Kretek.
Yeah. Every day.
Wow, every day,
Every day.
every day.
Well, I have like 2 days off, 3 days off. I don't know.
I already learned from you. So
Yeah,
you
okay,
can-
okay, let's go. How do I do? How do I do?
Okay, back in the
Yeah,
face.
yeah, Oh, wow, feels so much better. Wow. You're so good. You're so talented and handsome.
You must go
you.
to my clinic.
Of course,
Okay.
I want to.
Okay.
But it can't hurt. If it hurts, then I don't want to do it.
I see you, my pretty doctor. Okay.
Okay. Pretty? You have pretty doctor?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Still single.
Really?
I find one.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Tyler.
Thank you.